Do you flinch or jump out of your skin at every loud noise? The dog barking, a door slamming, a dropped spoon? You're not just jumpy. This is actually called hypervigilance, and it's a common trauma response. It means your nervous system is constantly on high alert, scanning for potential threats, even when you're perfectly safe. When you've lived through a chaotic or abusive environment, your brain learns to anticipate danger to keep you safe. That powerful survival mechanism is still active, causing your body to react with a fight or flight response before your conscious mind even registers the sound. It's not a character flaw. It's a protective measure that worked. Now, you can gently teach your nervous system that the threat is over. You can find peace. You are safe now. Your body is trying to protect you. With awareness and gentle practices, you can soothe this response and reclaim your calm. If you're ready to calm your nervous system, like, share, follow, and subscribe for more.